Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Binance and its settings and account settings. So to begin with, Binance is one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchange platform in the world. It offers a wide range of features and settings to help users customize their experience and optimize their trading strategy. So the problem with Binance is the hard creation and verification of the account. You should make and put your real informations, your address, your phone number, your registrations ID. You need a passport or your ID card verification, where you live, confirmations, and other papers you need to verify your account. One of the key settings on Binance is its trading interface. Binance offers a user-friendly interface like you see on the screen that makes it easy to buy and sell and trade cryptocurrencies. The platform also offers advanced trading features such as margin trading and futures trading, which can be customized to suit individual trading strategies. So like I said, it's a user-friendly interface. Here you can deposit, here you see your wallet, and here we have the orders. We have here the coins and their price and 24 hours exchange. The second way is important settings on Binance is security. Binance takes security seriously. Like I said, they ask you for here to increase your account security is recommended to enable two-factor authentication, including Binance Google Authenticator. And offers a range of features to help users protect their account, including, like I said, the two-factor authentication, withdrawal address with whitelisting, and anti-phishing code. And while the creation of the account, you will need an identity verification and the withdrawal whitelist and others. Here we have the passkeys and biometric system. Here we have the authenticator, phone number verification, address, email verification, the login password, account connection, crypto withdrawal, anti-phishing code, app authorizations. We have the device management and account activity, and here you can disable or delete your account. Another settings of Binance is it offers a variety of trading pairs, including fiat to crypto pairs, which makes it easy for users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies using traditional fiat currencies like USD, Euro, and GBP. In terms of fees, Binance is competitive compared to other crypto exchanges. The platform charges a fee of 0.1% trading fees, which can be reduced by holding Binance native token BNB. Binance also offers a variety of other features such as stacking and lender services, launchpad for new token offering, and a referral program. These features can help users to earn additional income and increase their cryptocurrencies. And here we have the referral program. Show you how to use it. Here we have your live referral ID, light referral ID. You can copy your referral ID and share it. Here we have your referral link. You can invite your friends. There are a guide for you to know how referral works. First, you share a referral link with friends. Second step is invite your friends to sign up and accumulatively deposit more than $50. So the minimum is $50 and you will receive 100 USDT trading fee debate voucher coach for each friend that deposits more than $50. So let's head to the account settings. The dashboard here. To edit your information, I don't think they are editable, but let's try. So overall, Binance is a future-rich cryptocurrency exchange that offers a range of settings and features to help users customize their trading experience and optimize their strategies. The platform is known for its user-friendly interface, like I said, competitive fees, and strong security measurements, making it a popular choice for cryptocurrency traders around the world. So here we have the settings. You can add or choose a nickname and save it if there is available. You can add an avatar. Select personalized avatar. You can purchase your own avatar in NFT marketplace. Next, we have edit your P2P nickname here. Order confirmation reminder. We have the notification settings for email notification and others. Here we have the marketing and analytics. Analytics, you can disable them. We have advertising, and let's see let's disable the marketing updates and manage our activities. So once configured, you will receive relevant on-site inbox notification within the app and the website. You can disable those notifications here by selecting all, or just the one who you don't the one that you don't need, like news, and that's it, only news. Enable two-factor authentication to increase your account security. You can adjust it by phone number or the app. There is an app on Android and iOS called Binance with the same logo of this website. You can set the authentication from it, and I think that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and goodbye.